New laws could protect healthcare workers and patients in Virginia. Governor Abigail Spanberger just signed 2 bills that criminalize bringing weapons into certain healthcare facilities. Brianna Fallon has details.
Healthcare workers say they fought for legislation like this for years, today marking a milestone achievement. Centera trauma surgeon Jessica Burgess says she's taking care of multiple patients with gunshot wounds. But one night, she says a young person died from their injuries, and things quickly escalated.
At one point, there were threats of violence to the point that I had to get all of my staff out of the room just to be able to keep my team safe.
It was that moment Burgess knew something had to change. So she took her concerns to the Virginia General Assembly 3 separate times, testifying on behalf of bills that make it a crime to bring weapons into the emergency room.
It sets a standard that's not acceptable in the Commonwealth.
And that's exactly what Burgess said Governor Abigail Spanberger did. Spanberger signed legislation to officially make it a misdemeanor to knowingly and intentionally bring weapons into hospitals that provide mental health services or developmental services, including emergency departments.
Whether you are recovering from surgery, visiting a family member, or the one delivering care, we all deserve to be safe.
All Centera hospitals installed weapon detection systems in October 2022. Since then, a spokesperson says the healthcare system intercepted more than 15,000 weapons. But through this bill, Burgess and other hospital staff like Miriam Ward say they will have peace of mind, so they can focus on providing care.
Dealing with so many emotions and so many different things happening at once, that it's one less thing we have to think about while we're trying to help these people through a tough time.
Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.
Centera also requires badges for all visitors to help keep patients and hospital staff safe. You can find more from the governor's visit to Norfolk today, streaming now on the 13 News Now app.